I've been hearing a lot of stuff about these D-made bags. Okay, shop now. What? Email me when it comes available. Come on, man. What's up? My name is George. Listen, I got something a little bit different today. I got some small organizational bags that you put inside your backpack, and they're from D-made bags. D-made bags. The name, I don't know, D-made bags. This is it's catchy, it's growing on me. But listen, I got the stubby Dopp kit and I got the original Dopp kit. Let's open these things up and check them out. So I posted these up on my YouTube feed and I was like, these are pretty awesome. And I got a lot of good feedback. So I was like, well, maybe I should go ahead and do a review on them. But there was some people that tried to get them and they were like, well, I really can't get to his website. So what you have to do is you gotta go to his Facebook and leave him a message. Send him a message. He'll send it back to you with the prices of everything. I don't really want to get too far into his prices because every little customization option has a separate price. So that's what you do. Just go to his Facebook, D-Made Bags. Really simple. Send him a message. Look at some of his pictures. He's got 1,001 options on there. So find something you like. Customize it the way you want. These are the two that I got, and he does it really professionally. On the bag itself, it says what it is. So this is the skinny stubby and multi-cam black VX with the purple lining inside of it. It's right there, D-Made Bags, skinny stubby. So that's pretty dope. It's got the QR code. Let's pop this thing open, man. See what it's all about. Like I said, I hate when people unbox stuff and then they never look at the item first. They always go to the other stuff, the other crap that's in the bag. So we're going to do that as well. So don't kill me. He actually sent over some stickers. I guess, I could throw this up on something. I don't know. D-Made Bags. Nice little stickers. Well-made stickers. Thanks, David. Appreciate that, man. And let's get to the bag. Like I said, this is the stubby Dopp kit right here. This is the skinny version. So he has a skinny and then a regular. The skinny right here measures 6 inches in length, is 4 inches high, and it can expand out to a depth of about 1.75 inches. So what I really liked about these little bags was the colors, the Cordura fabric. Let me start off with the materials. The materials are dope. So you got Cordura fabric right here, and the stitching on it, just looking at the pictures really doesn't give it justice. Really straight stitches, great construction on this bag. Got mil-spec webbing right here. Awesome mil-spec webbing on the side. Definitely feels like high quality. I like the Cordura fabric. It feels like, I think this is 1000D. That's what it feels like. 1000D Cordura right here. If my fingers don't misplace it, I'm pretty sure this is 1000D Cordura. And we got Ykk Zips with the little paracord lanyard tied up really nicely. This one actually has 2 zippers, so you can, unzip and zip. Smooth as can be. Normal Ykk zippers. Pretty simple. Inside, I asked for purple VX lining inside. Really dope. No other organization in the bag. These are very simple bags. Got a tag right here, DP, and D-Made Bags on the other side, but you really can't tell the quality of an item, like a sewn item like this, until you flip it inside out. So let's do that and see what David's been doing over here. Let's see if he, ripped us off or something like that. Nah, David did a good job, guys. He did an excellent job. Look at the stitching. So he gave us a seam stitch all the way around, nice and straight, just like the outside on both sides. The zipper section is reinforced with a double stitch. Excellent, man. I'm turning it into a seamstress in 2020, man, with these packs and everything that I review. I'm telling you, the sewing game has to be on point. So you might be asking yourself, well, what can I put in this? Well, I actually have some items to stick in here. So let's check it out. So I got the Lumatop EDC tool right here. We'll throw that in there. You know, this is perfect for a person that's taking a bag, like they got a larger bag and they, you know, they need some smaller pouches to kind of organize things. Benchmade Griptilian right here. Throw that in there. What else do I got? Little Sharpie. This Sharpie's giving me problems. I might have to return it. But small mini Sharpie right here. We'll throw that in there. This is the Steel Wheel Modus. I'm telling you, for how much this knife costs, this is an awesome knife. I love this knife. The sheet slit. Only thing is, it's a little long. When you pull this out in the office, it's like, oh, okay, here comes Rambo with this with this big ass knife. But definitely stick that in there. And what else do I have? I got the mini G2 Pilot pen. That can go in there. I've been on a Benchmade kind of kick right now. If you don't know what this knife is, you guys need to look it up. Benchmade Bug Out, super lightweight. Far as the length of the blade and the weight, dope. Put that in there as well. And I got one more knife over here that wants to hold on. This is the K-Bar Dozier Hunter. Nice knife, $20. Links in the description for everything I just put in this bag. Everything that's going to be in the video as well. So if you ever want to check anything out, check the links in the description. This is an excellent knife, 20 bucks. Can you beat it? I say hell no, you can't beat it. So that goes in there as well. So that kind of keeps my, you know, my knives, my flashlights, my, you know, lighters and all of that stuff. I can stick all that stuff in there. And then if I want to put it in a larger bag, I can do that. Or maybe I just want to carry this for the day. Stick that in a coat pocket or a jacket pocket. I got all my EDC stuff I can stick in there really quickly. So I'm loving the simple design of this. I kind of knew what it was. I mean, it could have a mesh pocket on the inside. That would just make it even a little bit doper, David. But I like it. I like the purple lining. That just sets it off. If you guys don't know, I do have, you know, a leaning towards purple. You know, it's just like a color of royalty to me. I definitely like it. So I'll take all these knives out. But that is, you know, a lot of stuff you guys can see. I can put a lot of stuff in there. So yes, this is a win. I like that one. All right, let's check out. That was the stubby Dopp kit. Let's check out this other one. This is the original Dopp kit. Same deal right here. Dopp kit, multi-cam, and it's got, oh, this is 500D Cordura. Oh, okay. On the smaller one, it was 1000D, so my fingers didn't let me down. I didn't even read that. But then on this larger one, it's a 500D Cordura, tropical Cordura, blaze orange inside. Damn, it kind of let it, kind of spoiled the surprise of what's in the inside, guys. Well, it's in the thumbnail. And then I got an Aqua zipper. So he, like I said, very, very particular about the labeling he puts on his stuff. So definitely dope. Let's lay these stickers out like, you know, like a real YouTuber would. You know, D-made bags. David, I'm doing you right, brother. Right there, we'll lay it out like that. And then let's pop this one open and see what's all about. Ooh, I actually like this. This is dope. That is nice. I like that. So got the, I mean, I'm partial to this type of camo anyway, but you know, he does it in other colors and stuff. Like, you don't have to get camo. You can get, you know, gray Cordura, you can get pink Cordura. Look at his pictures on his Facebook, man. Okay, Aqua zipper, look at that. So I got this one because I wanted just a Dopp kit, you know, like for my toothbrush, my soap, stuff like that for to travel with. And then for a daily basis, I'm going to use this thing to put like some hygiene items in for my EDC. But I'm loving this Aqua zipper. Nice, large, number 10 zipper right there. I hope you guys can see it. Oh my goodness. Same great webbing on the side. This feels a little bit thicker. Let me see. Yeah, this is a little different webbing on the side. This is actually a little bit thicker than the smaller one, so definitely like that. And then the stitching is the same. Excellent stitching straight around the edge of this.
all the way around, super straight. I mean, they're a simple bag, but you know, people can F it up. You know, I don't want to curse, but people can F stuff up. Inside, super bright. Look at that. That orange is awesome. D-Made bags got his logo. DP, you got to fill me in on that one, David. I don't know which that is. And then, I mean, I love the fact that you can pick out whatever you want. Customize when you can, as long as it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. That's what I think. You know, if you can customize something, definitely do it. Let's flip this one inside out too and check it out. Flip it inside out and check it out. Okay, man, this VX lining. I can't wait till I get my first VX backpack, man. I've been waiting on that Tad Axiom for like, I don't know how long. The stitching in here is the same, man. All the way around. Nice taped and sewn stitch all the way around. Super straight. He's even got a bar tack stitch on the edges of this thing in the interior. That boy know how to work a sewing machine. I could tell you that. So let's flip this one back in and then load it up and see what I can all put in these things. It's gonna be a quick video, guys, because I just wanted to show them to you and, you know, share with you guys some of the stuff when I look at buying stuff for myself, stuff that I like, you know. That's what it's all about. So, like I said, I'm gonna load this up with some of the, you know, hygiene stuff that I usually carry on my everyday carry. So boom, first thing you gotta have, hand sanitizer. We're not gonna get into all of what's going on in the world right now, but this is hand sanitizer. Stick that in. And we got some Birds of Bees, pink grapefruit, gotta have it. Birds of Bees, pink grapefruit, gotta have it. We got some Nivea hand cream. Boom. Listen, don't mess with me on my hand cream. You know, I'm a manly man, but I need it. We'll put that in there as well. Got stuff jumping off the table. This is the Adventure Medical Kit. This is kind of big. Look how big that is, right? It's gonna fit in there though, because I know David wouldn't let me down. So we're gonna stick that in there. I might get it for this one. I might get it. I'm scared to show it, but baby wipes, because when you go to the bathroom, you might not want to rub that hard toilet paper up against your backside. So sometimes I like the comfort of home with me, so I'll stick that in there. So it's not even a tight fit. Everything fits in there. Zip it up. Yes, perfect. I'm talking excellent right now. This is perfect. So when, you know, for my everyday, I know this is tough enough to carry every day. And then when I travel, it's even more useful. Stick my, you know, my shaving kit, my lotion, all the stuff I need for travel. You can make up whatever you want, put in these bags, man. David, thank you very much, sir. I appreciate the effort and the work. I paid full price for these too, guys. Wasn't no hookup. I was like, hey, David, you know, I'm on YouTube. He was like, yeah, send me that cash. So that was the honest truth. Yeah, I was like, hey, I want to do a video on these bags. He was like, yeah, all right, pay me. I ain't mad at you, David. Get your money, bro. So these bags are awesome. I love them both. I'll be using them both. Yes. So check him out if you want, you know, upgraded EDC.
All right, so we're down here at the end of the video and we gotta talk about price. The price on the stubby Dopp kit right here, the small version, the one I got, was 35 bucks. Now, if you add some extra features, you want the Aqua zipper, some different lining, you know, you can run the price up, you know, pretty high. So I thought $35 for this was pretty reasonable. Made in America, you know, solidly built, great stitching in this thing. I just love the way that he put this thing together. And then for the larger one, the original Dopp kit, this was 40 bucks with the Aqua zipper. So I think both of them You know, if you're taking, you want to take your organization to the higher level, to the next level of organization, check these things out. I think they're pretty damn excellent. I know that they're going to last a long time. Guys, thanks for watching George Defined. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Helps me out, gets the video out to more people. If you loved it, subscribe to the channel. We come out with stuff every week pretty much. I'm doing videos every week. So it's an addiction at this point. And down in the comments, down there in the comments, we're talking about everyday carry packs, backpacks, knives, flashlights, all the stuff that we carry on a daily basis. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Handcrafted D-made bags. That I don't know about the name. D-made bags. Maybe if I say it again. D-made bags. I mean, it is kind of catchy. It kind of grows on me. But listen, I got 2 products by D-made bags.